Hello guys, this is Miss Julie. Okay, so today we are going to have an English class. So let's start with the first lesson. There is, there are. Okay guys, what things are there in this bathroom? Okay, let's see. There is a lamp. Yes, here there is a lamp. There is a bicycle. There is a painting. There are pencils. There are dolls. There are balls. There are chairs. There are pens. Okay. Hay una lámpara. Hay una bicicleta. Hay un cuadro. Hay una cama. Hay una mochila. In the other column, en la siguiente columna, there are pencils. Hay lápices. Lápices here. Can you see? Como pueden ver. Hay muñecas. Muñecas. Yes. Hay pelotas. Here. Pelotas. Hay sillas. Sillas. There are chairs. There are pens. Hay lapiceros. Yes. Can you see? Como pueden ver en la imagen. Okay. There is, there are. Yes. Now, let's continue. There is. Affirmative form. There is a computer on the desk. There is. Negative form. Forma negativa. There is not a pillow on the bed. No hay una almohada sobre la cama. There is not a pillow on the bed. Interrogative form. Forma interrogativa. Is there a park there? Is there a park? ¿Hay un parque ahí? Interrogative. Let's continue. There are. There are. Affirmative form. Forma afirmativa. Con there are. There are 3 chairs in the classroom. There are 3 chairs. Negative form. Forma negativa. There are not oranges in the fridge. There are not oranges in the fridge. No hay naranjas en el refrigerador. Interrogative form. Are there 2 smartphones? ¿Hay 2 celulares inteligentes? Are there 2 smartphones? Let's continue. There is, there are. It's, there is. Its contraction. La contracción de there is there's. Okay? There is, there's. There's a good song on the radio. Hay una buena canción en la radio. There's a good song on the radio. There are. You cannot contract there are. Okay? A diferencia de there is, okay, there is sí le podemos contraer there's. Yes, there is, there's. En el caso de there are, no se puede contraer. Okay? Solamente se dice there are. There are 9 cats on the roof. There are 9 cats on the roof. Hay 9 gatos sobre el techo. Next. Remember, guys, remember, recuerden, there is, there are. The expressions, there is, there are, las expresiones there is, there are, son usadas, are used to indicate that something exists or is in a certain location. Las expresiones there is, there are son usadas para indicar that something, que algo existe o está en un lugar determinado. Okay. Por ejemplo, for example, there is a cell phone on the table. There are apples on the table. Hay un celular sobre la mesa. Hay manzanas sobre la mesa. Okay. Next. Let's practice. Practiquemos. There is, there are. Affirmative. Completemos los ejercicios mirando la figura. Let's complete the exercises looking at the picture. A carpet. A carpet. Completaremos con there is or there are. Yes, very good. There is a carpet. Hay una alfombra. Yes, there is a carpet. Brushes. Brochas. There is or there are? Very good. There are brushes. Hay brochas. Next. 3. Toys. Juegos. There is or there are? There are. Very good. Number 4. Chairs. Sillas. Chairs. There is or there are? Correct. There are chairs. Hay sillas. Number 5. Table. There is or there are? There is a table. Okay, como podemos ver, hay una mesa. There is a table. Next. There is, there are negative. En forma negativa. Let's complete the exercises looking at the picture. Completemos los ejercicios mirando la figura. A dog. Is there a dog? ¿Pueden ver a un perro? Can you see a dog? No. So, there isn't a dog. There isn't a dog. This is a cat. Okay, este es un gato. Paintings. Cuadros. ¿Podemos ver cuadros? No. So, there are paintings. Así que diremos, no hay cuadros. There aren't paintings. Okay? There aren't paintings. Number 3, a desk. Desk. A desk. ¿Pueden ver un escritorio? What would be? ¿Qué será? There is, there isn't, there aren't. There isn't. Yes, correct. There isn't a desk. No hay un escritorio. There isn't a desk. Number 4, chairs. Can you see chairs? ¿Podemos ver sillas? No, right? Entonces diremos, there is or there are. Very good. There aren't chairs. No hay sillas. There aren't chairs. Number 5, table. Can you see a table? ¿Pueden ver una mesa? Can you see a table? No, right? Entonces, ¿será there is or there are? There isn't, very good. There isn't a table, correct? Next, interrogative. There is, there are, interrogative. En la forma interrogativa. A computer, a computer. ¿Cómo completaremos? Is there or are there? Very good. Is there a computer? Is there a computer? ¿Hay una computadora en la imagen? In the picture. Yes. Yes, there is. Sí, la hay. Sí, hay una computadora. Yes, there is. Number 2. Books. Libros. What would be? ¿Qué será? Are there books or is there books? Very good. Are there books? ¿Hay libros? Are there books? ¿Pueden ver libros? Are there books? Yes, there are. Sí, los hay. Yes, there are. Number 3, balls. Balls. Can you see balls? ¿Podemos ver pelotas? Can you see balls? Are there balls? ¿Hay pelotas? No, there aren't. No, there aren't. No, no las hay. Number 4, a piano. A piano. Is there or are there? Se completará con is there or are there. Very good. Is there a piano? ¿Pueden ver un piano? Can you see a piano? No, there isn't. No, no hay. Next. Now, let's continue with the next lesson. Ahora continuamos con la siguiente lección. Some and any. Some, any. Look, there are some posters. Can you see? Hay algunos posters. There are some posters. Yes, como pueden ver, there are some posters. Let's continue. There are some books. There are some books. Como pueden ver, hay algunos libros. Okay. The next question, the next sentence, la siguiente oración. There aren't any tables. There aren't any tables. Pueden ver. Okay. Next. There aren't any people. No hay personas. Let's continue. Are there any chairs? Are there any chairs? Yes, there are. ¿Hay algunas sillas? Sí, las hay. Are there any chairs? Yes, there are. Next. Are there any laptops? ¿Hay laptops? ¿Algunas laptops? No, there aren't. No, no las hay. Next. Remember. Okay. Como pudimos ver en los ejemplos anteriores, we use some and any with plural nouns when we don't want to say the exact quantity. Usamos some y any con sustantivos plurales cuando no queremos decir la cantidad exacta. Okay, remember that. Recuerden eso. Some, any with plural nouns. Okay, let's complete this. Completemos aquí. We use some, any in affirmative sentences. What do we use? ¿Qué usamos in affirmative sentences? Some or any? We use some or any in negative and questions. What do we use? ¿Qué usamos? Some or any en negative, en oraciones negativas y preguntas. Very good. Muy bien. Usamos some in affirmative sentences. Usamos any in negative and questions. Okay. Next, let's practice. Practiquemos. Some, any. There aren't some or any crayons. What would be the answer? There are some, any pens. Very good. There aren't any crayons. There are some or any pens. There are some pens. Okay, recuerden que en negativo, we use en negativo, en oraciones negativas usamos any. Y en oraciones afirmativas usamos some. Yes, that is correct. Next. There are some or any chairs. There aren't some or any laptops. There are some chairs. Correct. There aren't any laptops. Yes, very good. Recuerden una vez más. Some, we use some in affirmative sentences. And any in negative sentences. Usamos some en oraciones afirmativas. And any en oraciones negativas. Next. Are there some or any books? There aren't some or any clothes on the bed. Very good. Are there any books? Correct. There aren't any clothes on the bed. Una vez más, usamos any en preguntas. Y también usamos any en oraciones negativas. No hay ninguna ropa sobre la cama. No hay. ¿Hay algunos libros? Are there any books? Are there any books? Okay, next. Okay, guys, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.